Hi, my name is Dr. Saulnier, and I'm pleased to be providing this video blog for Pearson Assessments to promote my upcoming workshops at the National Association for School Psychologists annual convention that's taking place right here in Atlanta, my hometown, and I will be presenting on February 27th. I have two workshops. The morning workshop will be focused on comprehensive diagnostic evaluations for autism spectrum disorders, and then my afternoon workshop will be focusing on how we translate the assessment results into treatment and intervention strategies that are catered to the individual needs of each child. With the prevalence rates of autism these days being 1 in 59, it is really critical for us as practitioners, both in the community and in the school systems, to be very thoughtful in our approach to diagnosis. We don't want to miss any children, and we certainly don't want to provide any misdiagnoses. So it's really critical that we use standards of best practice. So I'll be talking about evidence-based practices and the research behind both assessment and treatment and intervention. I really look forward to NASP every year. I'm a clinical psychologist by training, but I always say that I'm a school psychologist wannabe because the convention is so much fun, and I look forward to presenting every year. So in between my workshops, I will be at the Pearson Assessment booth, and I hope to see you there. I'll be promoting the Vineland 3, of which I'm an author, and then after the convention, I'll be providing a post blog on the experiences. So I hope to see you all there. Bye.